Ayurveda, the ancient Indian medical system, incorporates the use of various herbs and spices to promote health and well-being. Here are 15 Ayurvedic herbs and spices that you can use in your everyday cooking to enjoy their potential health benefits. Turmeric, curcuma longa, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Turmeric can be added to curries, soups, and rice dishes. Cumin, Cuminum cinnamon, this spice aids digestion and has a warming effect. Use it in curries, spice blends, and soups. Ginger, Zingiber officinale, known for its digestive and anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger can be added to tea, soups, stir-fries, and baked goods. Fennel, Feniculum vulgare, fennel seeds have digestive, anti-inflammatory, and diuretic properties. They can be used in spice blends, teas, and desserts. Cardamom, Elateria cardamomum, this sweet, aromatic spice is a natural digestive aid and can be used in teas, desserts, and rice dishes. Cinnamon, Cinnamomum verum, known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon can be used in sweet and savory dishes, as well as teas and smoothies. Clove, Syzygium aromaticum, cloves have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. They can be used in spice blends, teas, and rice dishes. Black pepper, Piper nigrum, this warming spice aids digestion and has antioxidant properties. Use it in curries, soups, and spice blends. Coriander, Coriandrum sativum, with cooling and digestive properties. Coriander can be used in spice blends, curries, and salads. Amla, Phyllanthus emblica, this potent antioxidant fruit is a rich source of vitamin C. It can be consumed as a powder, juice, or used in chutneys and pickles. Ashwagandha, with Aeneas somnifera, this adaptogenic herb can be used in powdered form to promote overall health and well-being. Add it to smoothies, warm milk, or herbal teas. Tulsi, Ocimum tennoiflorum, also known as holy basil, Tulsi has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Use it in teas, soups, or as a garnish. Fenugreek, Trigonellophonum graecum, this herb has digestive and anti-inflammatory properties. Use fenugreek seeds or leaves in curries, spice blends, and bread. Brahmi, Bacopa monnieri, this herb is known for its cognitive enhancing properties. Consume it as a powder or use it in herbal teas. Licorice, Glycyrrhiza glabra, with its sweet taste and anti-inflammatory properties, licorice can be used in teas, desserts, and spice blends. Remember to consult an Ayurvedic practitioner or healthcare professional before using these herbs and spices, especially if you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. Thanks for watching.